What is up, YouTube? So we got some things to talk about, especially what's going on right now in Iran and the United States. But some things have came out from this conflict. Right now, we understand that Bitcoin is a safe haven. I've never seen this before. When war happens, Bitcoin goes up. When the economy starts to tank a little bit, Bitcoin goes up. So this is kind of crazy. So I'm sorry about that, but I had to move. My wife came in the house. She wants to use the kitchen. But let's continue. So with these drastic changes that are happening in different markets or in the world with conflicts, we're seeing Bitcoin is moving up in price. Who's making these moves? Is it just people speculating, or is it really true investors, people with a lot of money, and they said, hey, I don't want to lose my US dollars from deflating over them going to war, because all they're going to do is print more money? Or somebody shot missiles at Saudi Arabia, I don't want to lose my money in their currency. Or if something that happens in the Middle East that has some connection with the US dollar, maybe that might be a safe haven. So let's really talk about what's really going on in the United States. So we're going to start from right now and go down to the past. So currently right now, the US government is trying to, we won't say the US government, a minority or the majority in the US government is trying to put in law that the president has to go through them before they go into a war or before a major strike like that. What's considered a major strike, And before that, we were very escalated in a conflict with Iran. Suddenly out of nowhere, a jet goes down, and we don't know if the Iranians shot that jet down or if it went down by some malfunction or a bird hitting the engine. We don't know. Boeing's trying to get the information. The United States is probably trying to get the information through Boeing. Iran said no. Ukrainians trying to get the information. Iran said, we're not going to give it to you. So Ukraine sent an official over, and I think Canada sent an official over to talk to them. So we're really figuring this out, and the news right now is saying that Iran in the United States, there's different media sources out there, but in the United States, they're saying right now that it looks like it might have been a mistake that Iran shot it down. So Ukraine and Canada will be very upset. The people over there was over there for the holidays, and they were probably Iranian Canadians. Did I say that right? Iranian Canadians? I think I said that right. Leave a comment at the bottom if I didn't say that right. And then before that, the U.S. shot down one of the top guys in Iran. I don't want to say his name because I will probably say it horribly. And he's been terrorizing for a while. So once that happened, we saw a change in how Bitcoin started to move. It came out of a trend that was running since June of last year. So what if the United States get into war? If we do see a war, we will see people move to Bitcoin. I don't want to see a war. Nobody wants to see war. We just want to see Bitcoin move organically without having something huge. We want to see people just using it for transactions. But the price fell as the U.S. market went up. So I'm thinking people who are trading in the U.S. market are also trading in the cryptocurrency space. That is what I'm seeing a whole lot of. It's really good to see that right now we're seeing people trading both assets. And this is a major change that we need to take a look at and really see how cryptocurrencies is really going to change this world. I think my dog coming in. Oli, Oli. So I guess he's not. That is all what I want to talk about. I just really want to go into detail of how we're seeing how the nature of cryptocurrencies are evolving, changing the financial markets. It's pretty unique. So remember to hit that like button, hit that subscriber button, and all you guys have a good day, and all you guys have a good night, and enjoy the crypto life. Peace.